everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, मेरे जो बाल हैं super frizzy हैं today, तो I'm even having tough time combing them through. But I don't need to worry. I'm gonna do one challenge or experiment with the brand BBlunt. I am going to try their intense moisture shampoo and conditioner today on my hair. और हम करेंगे by dividing the hair into two parts so that we can actually see for ourselves कि एक तरफ we'll use this shampoo and conditioner, the other side we won't use anything, and we'll see does it work or not. So let's start. तो सबसे पहले let's make center parting. Okay, this side I'll keep like that only. I will not do anything, and this side I will be applying the shampoo and conditioner. So शुरू करते हैं experiment. I've even put my robe so that I can share with you the live demonstration here itself. Okay, so now I have wet my hair this side. We'll be applying the shampoo. I'm gonna take this intense moisture shampoo little bit. This is the texture of this. So let's just lather it up and try shampooing our hair this side. I think the next part I should do in my washroom and come back. When we talk about the shampoo, it's really effective because it has jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is rich in vitamins and minerals, so it acts as a natural moisturizer that nourishes and strengthens hair while imparting shine. It also has vitamin E, which is a great ingredient for hair as it hydrates and rejuvenates dry and flaky scalp. It also boosts hair elasticity and shine while promoting growth. I'm back. अब हम लगाते हैं conditioner to the hair. So I'm gonna use the BBlunt Intense Moisture Conditioner. And I actually do recommend कि जब भी आप conditioner लगाओ, make sure that your hair are little dry after washing, you know, dripping wet नहीं होने चाहिए, otherwise the conditioner doesn't soak in. So that is what I'm gonna apply to the ends of my hair. It's looking so weird. इधर एक तरफ I'm not washing and the other side I'm washing anyways. So that's what I'm gonna do and leave it for 2 minutes. The conditioner also has jojoba oil, which is rich in mineral and vitamins, which acts as a natural moisturizer. With that, it also has vitamin E, which will hydrate and rejuvenate your hair, which will also help in boosting the elasticity, making them shiny. Okay, so I'm back after drying my hair. This side I have not applied any shampoo, anything, and it's like frizzy. This is the side where I use the BBlunt shampoo and the conditioner. As you can see, they're already looking quite tamed, shiny, and more nourished. So now we're gonna do again that comb experiment. इस तरफ तो मुश्किल हो रही थी, you know, combing में, but this side we're gonna see slide हो रही है कि नहीं comb. Yes, it is easily sliding, and my hair does look more moisturized, nourished, transform my hair overall, and I'll be back with my new look. BBlunt is a premium hair care and styling brand which is synonymous with cutting edge hairstyling and hair care. So every time you buy from BBlunt, they will link your order to women they empower with Sambha Foundation through BBlunt Shine Academy. They are on the mission to empower 10,000 women across the nation. Alright, so I'm back after washing my hair both sides now with the shampoo. काफ़ी tedious था ये video बनाना. So I hope you press that like button. Now talking about the shampoo results, आप खुद से देख पा रहे हो that it has really worked, and the hair is looking more manageable, more healthy, moisturized, and frizz free. You know, hair color को भी ये protect करता है, which I really do like about the shampoo because I color my hair a lot. So do check out these shampoo and conditioner in my description box. You can buy them from BBlunt and you will be getting discount if you apply this coupon code listed here. And they're also available on Nykaa, Amazon, and Flipkart. So do check them out, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.